guys, and welcome back in Sant'Agata Bolognese for the first Lamborghini car spotting session of the year. Yes, you can probably tell it's extremely cold here outside today. We are way below zero. But at the same time, I don't think this can stop me from trying to spot some interesting cars, right? Now, I don't really know what to expect from Lambo today, cause we haven't seen any new prototype testing on the road for at least 3 to 4 months now. But hey, at least we can try to find some interesting specs, I think, right? Oh, we should have the first Lambo getting out! What is that? Judging by the sound, this might be a Urus. Ooh! Oh my god, check out this spec on this Urus Performante! That is so cool! Not a bad start at all, guys! What do you think? Okay, it's a Temerario! And it's also a brand new spec for me! Now that was pretty good! Green calipers over the grey body! Nice! Very well, what do we have? Urus? Yeah, dark blue Urus SE, I think. At least judging from the headlights and the sound, of course. Oh! Interesting Urus SE combo right here. And by the way, very beautiful spec on this one. Oh, okay, I think we might have a Revuelto. Matte black? Okay. That sounds like a Urus SE. Wow, beautiful spec. I'm loving the orange and light blue combo on this one. Oh my god, guys! Is this a Christmas miracle? The ducks are back! Oh my god, they are so cute! Let's see, we should have something else, and it's a Revuelto, very nice. Yeah. Yes! That was a proper startup! Will it be another hybrid Urus, maybe? Yeah, absolutely yes. Okay. Oh, wait. Grey Urus. Yes, please! Finally, a non-hybrid one! Guess what? We have another Urus getting out, but we also have a Urus SE getting back! There it goes! Oh no! It's been a while, but we have a camouflaged one! What is going on with this one? Now it might be time for another Urus. Yeah, of course. Ooh, what's going on today with the flashy details? Love it. Ah, come on, in full electric mode. Why? That sounds like an hybrid one once again. Yeah, dark blue one. Okay, we might have something good here. Ooh, and it's quite a smoky one. Yeah, it's very cold outside here. I just told you. Oh, come on, not another Urus. Nah, where are the interesting cars? Come on. Oh, that's the sound of an hybrid Urus. The orange speck looks quite good under the sun, right? Beautiful one. Let's see, guys, what is that? Ah, okay, a very quiet Temerario. Come on, let us hear the brand new hybrid V8. Just a bit at least. Another one. Yeah, another Urus. Yeah, at least it sounds quite good. Oh, wait a moment. Ha! Where is this guy heading to? Oh my god, what a combo! Camouflage hybrid V8 and matte black hybrid V12. All together, beautiful. Yes, hybrid Urus getting back with a beautiful light blue spec. Oh, love the orange details. Oh, and the green ones too. Now guys, do you know what is really funny? The fact that at the beginning of the video I said that Lamborghini shouldn't be working on anything new, so there are no prototypes on the road. But now in the past couple hours we got to see not one but two of those, the Temerario and the... was that a Urus SE? I think it was. Both of them camouflage and testing on the road. So yeah, maybe they are working on something after all. Who knows? Oh no, I think we might have another Temerario. Check it out. Yes! Okay, that's not the first white Temerario we get to see on the road, but it's an interesting one indeed. And yeah, we also got to hear a very quick startup, not the loudest one, but hey, can't really complain, right? I'm sorry guys, I think we have another Urus getting out. Ooh, at least it has a bold spec. And yeah, it's another hybrid one. I missed this one. Fuck! That was a very interesting spec for a Revuelto. I mean, it's gonna come back eventually, right? Yeah, at least I hope so. Ooh, another Urus getting back. Full black Urus SE. Wow, I could watch them for hours and hours. But guys, we have some more Lambos to spot. Ooh, white Revuelto with the black contrast roof and details. Not that bad, but the spec and the sound, right? Nicely done! One of the Urus is getting back. Okay, dark grey with the yellow calipers. Now guys, we have something very quiet. Oh! Not anymore! An interesting V12, hybrid V12 startup. Hybrid Urus. Okay, red calipers and boring black spec. Oh, I see a beautiful spec on the Urus SE. Nice. Oh wait, the Temerario. Wow, okay, now that was a bit too fast for me. Wow, beautiful spec and astonishing exhaust sound. Nice. Oh, I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah, naturally aspirated V10. Okay, dark blue Technica here with the silver wheels. Oh my god! That was very cool and loud! Oh, okay, orange Urus SE with Italian plate. Yo, a very fast Revuelto is approaching! Ooh, the Batmobile! Beautiful matte black spec on the Revuelto. Now wait a moment, I think we have a Temerario. And there she goes. I think we might have another orange Urus SE. Yes, it's identical to the other one. Okay. Oh, guys, we have the great Temerario coming back. Wow, Wow! Okay! I like the ball calipers on this one. Ooh! Almost missed this one. It was very quiet. Aha! Okay, another orange one. But this time without the Italian plates. But still interesting color, right? Now guys, with this one I think we are really done for today. I have to admit it was quite a good start for the year, right? We've seen a lot of interesting specs on the Revuelto. Ooh, wait, we have another Urus! Another SE, alright! Now, as I was saying, we've seen Revueltos, a good amount of Temerarios, and a whole lot of Uruses, both the Performante and the Hybrid SE. Oh, and let's not forget about the prototypes, the camouflaged ones, the Urus SE and the Temerario. So yeah, not bad at all. Now guys, enough chit chat for the time being. I hope you enjoyed the video and the cars, of course, and see you in a few days.